In this video, I present a tiny house with a bedroom concept on the ground floor. In this case, the difference between interior and exterior design is only limited to similarities in theme and does not mean there is a connection between the both of them. First off, let's talk about the exterior. Our tiny house is painted a crisp white with these beautiful green accents that just blend perfectly with the forest around us. It's like the house was made for this setting, and don't even get me started on the porch. It's our favorite spot to sip coffee in the morning and listen to the birds chirping. It's the perfect little outdoor escape. Okay, well, this tiny house is painted in this crisp, clean white with this beautiful green accent that just blend perfectly with the forest vibes outside. It's like the house is giving a little nod to nature. And speaking of nature, just look out that window. The view is insane. It's all tall trees, soft sunlight, and that fresh forest air. I mean, could you imagine waking up to this everyday dream, right? Okay, let's start with the main floor. As soon as you step inside, you are greeted by this cozy little living room. It's got this super comfy couch that's perfect for curling up with a book or just staring out at the trees. And check out these built-in cabinets. They are everywhere on the floor, the walls, even the ceiling. It's like a storage lover's dream. Plus, they've styled it with these antique items on the shelves, old books, vintage jars, and little trinkets that give the space so much character. It's like the house has its own story to tell. Now, right next to the living room is the kitchen, and don't let the size fool you. This kitchen is fully functional. It's got everything you need: a cute little stove, a sink, and even some counter space for prepping meals. And again, more of those built-in cabinet, which means plenty of room for all your kitchen gadgets and snacks. Oh, and can we talk about the green accent here? They are subtle but so stylish. It's like the whole space just flows together perfectly. Okay, now let's talk about the bedroom. And this tiny house has a main floor bedroom, which is such a game changer. No climbing up to the loft in the middle of the night if you don't want to. The bed is tucked into this little nook, and it's so cozy. Like, imagine falling asleep here with the sound of the forest outside. Pure magic. And of course, there's more storage here too, because who doesn't love a good built-in cabinet, right? But wait, there's more. If you do feel like climbing, there's this adorable wooden staircase that leads up to the loft. I'm not gonna lie, the stairs are a little steep, but they are so charming. And the loft is such a versatile space. You could use it as a second sleeping area, a reading nook, or even a little home office. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk the kitchen. It's small but so well designed. There's a modern cooker hood, sleek well-mounted cabinets, and just enough counter space to whip up a quick meal. The white and green color scheme carries through here to giving the whole space this fresh airy feel. And don't even get me started on the storage. There are built-in cabinets everywhere, like on the floor, the walls, even the ceiling. It is a tiny house, but they have really thought of everything to make it feel spacious and organized. Okay, and speaking of the storage, check out these wall shelves. They're filled with these gorgeous antique items and stack of books. It's such a nice touch. It adds so much character to the space and make it feel live in and personal. Like you can tell someone really put their heart into designing this place. Now let's head up this beautiful wooden staircase to the loft. And I love how the staircase is kind of minimalist but still feels sturdy and safe. The loft is this cozy little nook that's perfect for a bedroom. It's not huge, but it's got this super comfy mattress and, of course, more of those amazing forest views. Can you imagine falling asleep to the sound of the wind rustling through the trees? Pure magic. And can we just take a moment to appreciate the setting? This tiny house is literally surrounded by trees. It's so peaceful and quite like your own little slice of paradise. Whether you're sitting on the sofa, cooking in the kitchen, or just chilling in the loft, you're constantly reminded of how beautiful nature is. Okay, well, the bathroom follows the same theme, white walls with little pops of green. It's simple, but it works so well. When you step inside, the first thing you will notice is how well lit the space is. We have got a small window that lets in natural light during the day, and it's perfect for keeping the bathroom feeling open and not at all claustrophobic. Plus, there's an exhaust fan on the ceiling to keep things fresh and prevent any moisture buildup. Tiny house pro tip, always invest in good ventilation. Now, let's talk about the essential. We've got a toilet, a wastafel, that's a thing for those of you who might know not now, and a shower. Everything is compact but super functional. The sink is small but stylish with a sleek faucet that matches the minimalism vibe. And the shower, it's a game changer. It's just the right size, and we have add this cute green tile accent wall that ties the whole room together. Storage is key in a tiny house, so we've got some clever solution here too. There's a small shelf above the toilet where we keep towels and toiletries and a little hook on the wall for hanging robes or clothes. It's all about maximizing every inch of space without making it feel crowded. One of my favorite things about this bathroom is how cozy it feels. Even though it's small, it doesn't feel cramped. The white walls and good lighting make it feel bigger than it actually is. And the green accent adds just the right amount of personality. It's like a little oasis in our tiny home. Alright, that's the tour. What do you think, guys? Could you see yourself living in a tiny house like this? I mean, it's got everything you need: cozy space, smart storage, and that unbeatable forest view. Let me know in the comments below if you would live here. And don't forget to like and subscribe for my tiny house, for this tiny house adventures. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.